Hello and welcome back. GovDoc News, no opinions, just facts and summaries of government documents. You take it from there. We are back June 26th, 2025, a case from when we took a little break, but we're trying to get you all the info. Supreme Court decision in the case Medina v. Planned Parenthood South Atlantic. All right, we are back in the highest court of the land talking about Medicaid and Planned Parenthood in South Carolina. So, as a part of Medicaid, there is what is generally referred to as an any qualified provider provision. This provision, 42 U.S.C. section 1396A23A, states that any individual eligible for medical assistance may obtain such assistance from any institution, agency, community pharmacy, or person qualified to perform the service or services required. And this case is deciding whether that provision allows beneficiaries to sue state officials under 42 U.S.C. section 1983 for non-compliance. In South Carolina, they excluded Planned Parenthood from its Medicaid program in 2018, citing a state law against funding abortions. Planned Parenthood and a patient, Julie Edwards, sued, arguing that the exclusion violated the any qualified provider provision. The case eventually makes its way up to the Supreme Court, and they say that the provision does not clearly and unambiguously confer individual rights enforceable under Section 1983. Basically, the provision does not use language specifically outlining where it would support private lawsuits, so therefore, they are not allowed. The Fourth Circuit's decision to allow the lawsuit has therefore been reversed and the case remanded to the lower courts for further proceedings based on the guidance from the Supreme Court. And since this was kind of a retroactive one, we looked up any movement in the case, and it was remanded back to the district court from the circuit court. Remember, district, circuit, Supreme. So we got to the Supreme, sent it back to the circuit. Now it's back to the district. And a hearing is set for October 15th, 2025. All right, Kaimo, keep your mind open, do your own research, form your own opinion. See you next time.